Today I'm going to tell you about vinyl screen printing. Why do I think vinyl screen printing making is the best choice? Because I tried the photosensitive emulsion method. I think it's a bit complicated. There are about 6 production steps. Prepare the image, applying photo emulsion to the screen, exposing the screen. There's more. You'll also need complete darkness and a UV underlight. There are only 4 steps required to vinyl screen printing. Let's take a look at it together. This is adhesive vinyl pattern that has been mirror cut. Now the part that needs to be weeded is the part that the ink needs to pass through. We need to use transfer tape. Next, just use a scraper to scrape back and forth until the bubbles or wrinkles disappear. Finally, tear off the backing paper. Okay, now you can attach the sticky side to the back of the screen printing frame. This is why the pattern needs to be mirrored. Now I'm going to press the vinyl against the screen, making sure there aren't any air bubbles. Peel off the transfer tape and we are done with the plate making. We use tape to seal the blank areas to prevent ink from passing through. Then put a partition in the middle of the clothes to prevent the ink from getting on the back of the clothes. Then take your frame and place it where you want your pattern to be printed. Spread fabric ink on top of fabric. Let's lift it up first and let the ink spread. Here comes the most important part. Hold the frame with one hand and scrape hard in one direction with the other hand. Let me look forward to it. Get this frame out of the way. I will use this automatic heat press to speed up the drying process. We only need simple cleaning with water to make other colors of the same pattern. Let's use 2 colors to create together and see what kind of surprises there will be. Which color do you prefer? The durability of vinyl screen printing is very famous. We have conducted tests and found that the pattern did not fall off or fade after being washed 10 times. Plate making is very simple and can be reused, saving a lot of time.